Howard lives 28 miles from his job and commutes to work by car. In 1 year, Howard works 5 days each week for 48 weeks. Howard spends 20 cents on gasoline for each mile that he drives. How much does Howard spend on gasoline to drive to and from work in 1 year? So our key numbers is 28 miles to work. He works 5 days a week for 48 weeks and is 20 cents per mile. First, let's figure out the miles in 1 day. So we know it's 28 miles to work, but the question is asking us how much it costs to and from work. So it costs 28 miles. If it's 28 miles to get to work, to get back from work is going to be another 28 miles. So in total, in 1 day, he does 56 miles. Now, let's figure out how many miles he does in 1 week. This is when close reading is important. Normally, 1 week is 7 days. But our question lets us know that he only works 5 days a week in 1 week. So we only need to multiply the 56 miles by 5. So 5 times 6, 30. Carry our 3. 5 times 5, 25 plus 3, 28. So he does 280 miles in 1 week. Now, let's figure out how many miles he does in 1 year. Normally, we could just multiply 280 by 52 because there's 52 weeks in 1 year. However, they let us know he only works 48 weeks this year. So if we do 280 times 48, we'll know the total miles he does in 1 year. So 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 8, 64. Carry the 6. 8 times 8, 16 plus 6 is 22. Let's carry this out. Let's put our magic 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. Let's go ahead and add. So he does 13,440 miles in 1 week. Now, to find out the total cost, we now know how many miles he does in 1 year. Now, we know that it's 20 cents or 0.2 cents per mile. So we now multiply our total miles by our cost per mile, we'll find our total cost. So 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 1, 2. There's no numbers to the right of the decimal. There's one number to the right of the decimal. 0 plus 1 is 1. So we just need to move the decimal over 1 time. So our answer is going to be $2,688.